Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to view your hosting appointments on a calendar. First, this is the first calendar, and I will also show you how to see them in this style of list. Upcoming appointments and past ones. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to check your appointment calendars on, click on Manage Store. This way, you will land automatically on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, go to Appointments, then click on Overview, and this way you will see your upcoming appointments, and the past ones. And if you want to see your appointments on a calendar style, simply I will show you how I look at them. I see them on my Google Calendar. This is another style that you can view your current all your appointments. Just click on it and it will open up. This is another one. This is another one. All of those appointments are sent or are synced automatically to Google Calendar because here I connected my Google Calendar account. How to do it? It's simple. Click on List of Appointments, then open the appointment products that you want to connect, and here, not the appointment products, my bad. Click on Availability, and here next to connect your calendar, you will see your calendar is not connected and you will see a connect button. Simply click on it, select a Google account, and after giving access to your Google account, you'll start seeing automatically your appointments on Google Calendar. And how to visit your Google Calendar? Just go to calendar.google.com. And this is how to see your appointments in a calendar in Hostinger website build. And this is how to view your Hostinger appointments on your calendar. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.